can't be too creative with this. It's just a head.
I do not know what I'm gonna choose. There's so many options, and at first I wanted to do a cup for the coffee table. My boyfriend is so confused on what he's gonna choose. He first wanted a rocket, now he wants, I don't know, but we'll see. Anyways, this is so nice. This is so nice here.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadows make. Guess I'll never find the light. Living in this endless night. Promises I never keep. Whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose.
These days just kinda seem to pass me by. I'm looking past it all too far. Minutes turn to months.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we're catching the sunset and we passed by the park in Greenpoint, and just wanted to pop by and say hi. But anyways, yeah, see you.
You're staying exactly where you are. Exactly where you are. Doing everything and something. Doing nothing at all. It's everything in one thing.
So hi guys, so today it is a new day to the vlog, and we're taking a cruise. No, a boat, whatever it is, and boat cruise, and it's 30 minutes one. And yeah, I'm so excited, and my boyfriend is excited as well, as he should, as I should. I mean, I'm so excited. Actually, it is my first time riding a boat. I am scared. What if I sink? I'm joking. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with us.
It's not forever, it's a fleeting symptom. Just a condition of the circumstances you're in. Been self-destructive from the pure frustration. On and off again. Will you let me in your heart? Or let yourself fall apart? Will you be inside of the feeling?
So guys, we are back from the thingy, and we're getting some food, and we came to Spur, and the view here is amazing, and I'm so hungry. Okay, as long as I drink it, it's not that bad.
It's amazing. Okay, drink this and then drink that after.
Tasting beer.
Power that you got.